Hi, hello. Now I'm going to show you the activities that you have to do in order to complete the delivery stage. This time, you're going to work with your close-up students book, right? And here you have the pages. And in front of it, you have the letters or the exercises that you're going to do. Yeah, so I'm going to show you. Uh, the exercise. Okay, so I'm going to open my digital book, and it says that the first exercise is page 18. So let's go to our book, page 18, unit number 2, vocabulary. Let's do it page by page by page. Here you have 18, 17, 18. According to our work plan, we have to work with page 18 letters A and B. So this is 18, A and B. It says match the sentences with the correct photo. So congratulations, you won a holiday. What do you think a person would be if that person receives a new like that? You won a holiday. That person would be how would be sad, scared, boring, pleasant. Let's choose this. F, of course. Your best friend moved to another city. That would be a bad news, so I would choose B. Yeah, and you continue with the others, okay? Um, Now let's continue working with the B. Match adjectives A and F with the situations in A. Sad. What would be a situation for a sad person? Your best friend moved to another city. Of course. Yes. What would be a situation for angry? Oh no, there's a snake. Your brother broke your iPhone. Oh yes, that would be a situation that will make you feel angry. So angry, your brother broke your iPhone. That is pretty basic what you have to do. Okay, let's go back to our work plan. Then it says page 20, letters A, Z, E, and F. So let's say page 20. Which page is this? Oh, wait. This is, let me move this over here. Page 20. No, this is not our page 20. This is our 20 page. And what were the letters? Do you remember? A, C, E, and F. So let's see. A, C, E, and F. A. What do you have to do? Write the correct names under the pictures. Oliver has got short, straight brown hair and brown eyes. He went on holiday to Turkey last week, so he's got a tan. Short, straight brown hair. We're talking about a man, but this man, he doesn't have a short, straight brown hair, so Oliver is this, yeah? So you have to continue with the others. Exercise C, E, and F. This is not exercise C. C. Put the words in the correct group. Some can go in more than one group. Eye, hair, skin. This is our categories. We can have brown hair. And we can have, I just show you all the answers. I'm not going to show you more answers, okay? That's it. Let's continue with our exercise. A, C, E, and F. E and F. This is not the exercise that belongs to this stage. E and F. Choose the correct answers. My mom got or got. I would say got. Yeah. You continue with the others, okay? What about exercise F? Complete the sentences using these words. Kind, funny, cheerful, shy, sociable, and silly. Marco makes me laugh. He loves telling jokes. He's so funny. Yeah, so you continue with the others, okay? This is our um deliverable stage. So remember that you have to complete exercises A, C, E, and F. Okay, good. And I'm going to show you what do you have to do with the assessment. You will have to work with the exercise found in the platform, but don't worry about it if you don't have maybe access to the platform. I'm going to send you a Google document, a Google form to make you feel comfortable with this exercise. Yeah, that is going to be a really easy exercise. Let's take a look at this. I'm going to put this a little bit bigger. It says choose the correct word to complete each sentences. Well, you had a great holiday. You have got a great. What would be the sentence? I would say that is a 10. My sister is the only one in my family with curly hair. We have all got straight hair. And then you have to continue. Remember to follow these instructions because this is something that you have to take it into account, okay? So I'm going to modify this for you. You won't have time to do it during the classes, but you can have the time to complete it during the day. I mean, you will have April the 24th, it's a Friday. You will have all Friday to complete the exercise, okay? It doesn't have to be on class time, but you can have the opportunity to complete it during the day. Yeah, so I hope you have learned this pretty clear. And now let's see what do you have to do to tell me. Okay, thank you. Bye bye.